site investigation support, cost optimization, wear and tear identification, minimum lead claim plus repair time 4 days from claim to settlement time, effective checks and timely support. Great thanks to Mr. Vaibhav Deshmukh, TATA Aig Claims Team.
My name is Mahesh Deshmukh, and I came here at Zitrix Technology to have a repair on my car. Actually, I met with a small accident where my both tires on this side were gone, and rim was also damaged. So Zitrix Technology has taken very careful attention to this requirement, and they have repaired the rims properly, and the tires are also new one attached with my insurance company. And the best part is that the service which I get from Zitrix was very wonderful, where they have taken care of my vehicle, and they have given me time to time update, and now I am picking my vehicle back, and definitely I will come back to this same location for the repairs.
How do you feel about the cleaning and the other services that provided to you?
Basically, this particular cleaning what I have seen is not at all in a local garage you get it, but definitely the way it is being cleaned, the inside cleaning which I have seen, it's wonderful. And even my Renault car service station doesn't clean this much. So thank you very much for your service attention, and definitely I will recommend you for any friends, and also I will come back to you.
Thank you, sir. And last question, would you recommend Zitrix Car Services, Zitrix Technologies to all of your friends and families?
Definitely. Outstanding service. Definitely I will recommend.
Thank you so much, being a one.